What we're doing today here is we're solving the following system by graphing. There could be three possibilities. One is the lines intersect and there's one solution. The lines coincide, or it's the same line. We have infinitely many solutions, or the lines are parallel, meaning they have the same slope, and there are none or no solutions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, each of these equations, I'm going to write in slope-intercept form. So we're going to have to solve for y. So we have x minus 3y is equal to 6. So I'm going to solve for y, as I said before. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract x from both sides. And we have x minus x, which is left with negative 3y equals negative x plus 6. The next step is to divide by negative 3. And we notice that negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. And we're left with y equals x over 3. Since that's a negative and negative, that's a positive. 6 divided by negative 3, that's negative 2. And we notice that our slope is equal to 1 over 3. And the y-intercept is equal to negative 2. Let's go ahead and solve the second equation for y. So we have 2x minus y is equal to negative 3. So we want the y by itself, so we're going to go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. And we're left with negative y is equal to negative 2x minus 3. And since we have a negative, we're going to divide each side by negative 1. And so a negative divided by negative is positive. So you have y equals 2x. It's a negative divided by negative is positive. And then you have negative divided by negative again will be positive 3. So our slope is 2, or 2 over 1. And the y-intercept is 3. So now we're going to solve this system by graphing. So we'll graph the first equation. So our y-intercept was negative 2. So the rise will be 1, and I go over 3. I can go in the other direction. I can go down 1 and over 3. Go down 1, 1, 2, 3. And then once I have my points, I can go ahead and graph that equation. Now the other equation, I'm going to start with a y-intercept of 3. And what I'm going to do, since I can't go up 2, I'm going to go down 2 over 1. Go down 2 over 1. Go down 2 over 1. And you notice that the two lines intersect. So we're going to say that there is one solution, and that solution will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 3, negative 3. So the solution is negative 3, negative 3. That is a solution.